So welcome friends to the channel. So how you would solve this question where 8 divide by 8 divide by 8 and divide by 8. Okay, so it is easy. See, 8 divide by 8 is equals to 1. Okay, divide by 8, again divide by 8. Okay, so you can write it as 1 upon 8. 1 divided by 8 is 1 upon 8. Again divide by 8. Okay, so again 1 upon 8, this division becomes multiply when the digit reversed. Okay, I hope you know. So 1 upon 8. Okay, so 1 upon 8 into 1 upon 8 is equals to 1 upon 64. Okay, I hope you learned the concept, and if you like the session really, then please support us, like us and subscribe it. Okay, for more videos stay tuned. Thank you so much.